Another dyno day going on, as you guys can probably already know. We got veggies and teggy today. We got mine right here. We got the one and only. Well, let's see what you got. Show me what you got there. Y'all are not ready.
This is the setup, boy.
What's going on, you guys? FA Customs back at it on another great day. And in today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and actually tune up Ryan's Integra that we just ended up boosting. John ended up doing the turbo on it recently, so it's pretty much, I think it's a 6266 if I'm not wrong. We just went ahead and set it up. Clearly it's not tuned for it yet, so we'll go ahead and get the tune done first and kind of, you know, start working on there. But overall everything's been, you know, everything has been going well. So it's gonna be me and my boy John. We're gonna end up going there. So mashallah. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the car pretty much tuned up and dialed in, set her up a little bit more better than usual. We're definitely gonna, it's beautiful, bro. This is beautiful, bro. This is nice. You can tell it's all custom piped out. Mint as fuck. Gotta make sure. Let me check if he has a charger in here by any chance. He's got a charging slot. Start it?
Not yet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I remember when I drove this thing, dude. Oh my god. Here's the ST. She's still out here, you guys. I still own it. She's still mine. Yes, sir. Best of the best. This tastes just like Red Bull, but a way bigger. Literally True Blue. Well, that was Red Bull, not True Blue. Right. I've known Veg for a really long time. He's the reason why I was able to drive out and get this car. Let me just say that. So definitely shout out to Ryan for driving 5 hours, you guys. 5 hours with him driving for me to get this car. Well, then that's what I call a real nigga right there. That's what I call a real homie, matter of fact. So I appreciate him always. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and to be honest with you guys, like straight up, this thing is mint. When I say mint, I mean mint. I don't care what anyone else out there says. This is one of the mintest cars ever. We got this one. We got back into the Honda life, as you guys probably already know. I will. The video should be posted. All three of them should be posted today if I try. So first, let me go ahead and I gotta actually grab some shit from the ST. So let me make sure I even got the keys for it. I wouldn't be. Yeah, I don't. In the Chanel. In the Dior. Okay. Let's hope this works. Oh yeah, it works. So we got the speaker. I mean, we got everything. I told Veggie, I'm like, bro, you are not gonna be able to handle this, bro. I told him, I'm like, you are not gonna be able to handle it. So I don't know. We'll see how this is gonna go, honestly. So it smells like coolant. Ugh. Like big coolant. Ugh. Oh wait. Brianna's. You guys already know what it is. Gotta get our first meal in like the usual. Yeah. Oh my god, we got the fire.
3 eggs. Here's mine.
He's the man with the eggs. Thank you, appreciate you. Yes,
enjoy.
Thanks.
You got this is
Don't kill me, bro. What the fuck? Ya Allah. يا الله بسم الله يعطيه الصحة إن شاء الله يعطيه الصحة يا رب العالمين يلا يا الله.
يا رب العالمين. Your parents say that or?
Shout out Kim West, your money fake like an ass. Shout out Kim West. You said married to the money, but I'm the best man. Yeah, chop and hit your stomach, yo intestines. She grabbed my dick like a mic, that bitch was.
Look out. Hello, Mr. Veg.
Hello.
How are ya?
Good. Working.
So you ready for what's going down today or what?
Yes, I am.
Okay, okay, I'll see you. Yeah, I'm gonna drive it on the way back.
F.A., you're gonna blow something up.
Hold on. You guys, that's kind of weird.
So now we'll find the limit on 93.
That's what's going on, my man.
Yeah.
Go through the setup again.
Stock junkyard TSX motor, precision 6266, RBC intake manifold, 1000 cc injectors, and top 93 octane.
Pump 93 pin.
Simple setup. I mean, winter's coming in the next month, so we want to keep it on pump gas so we get better, you know, cold starts, and he can literally fill up everywhere and anywhere during the winter.
Nice.
And then in the springtime, we'll put on E and we'll max out the stock motor.
Simple as that. Should make a good like 450.
450 is my guess on the thousands. They usually max out around there, but you don't want to push that on pump. That's like the limit on pump gas.
Ready when you are.